Today, we are at the Augusto Crown Golf. There are some American-style courses in Taiwan which don't provide caddies like here, the Augusto Crown Golf, and it's the best time to use the whole new virtual caddy feature. This video will show you how to use the new virtual caddy feature of Garmin Approach S62. The virtual caddy feature of Approach S62 will recommend a suitable club to you based on your past club performance, hazards on the course map, and the wind speed and direction. This provides the most intuitive strategy for your approach shot. Before the game, please check some settings of your watch. To ensure the virtual caddy feature runs correctly, push the middle button of the watch. Select Settings. Select Golf Settings. Turn on Scoring to save the scorecard. Turn on Stat Tracking and Club Prompt to calculate your club performance. By calculating your past club performance, Approach S62 can recommend a suitable club to you more precisely. Let's test the virtual caddy feature on the golf course. When you arrive at the course, select Play Golf. Once the GPS is done, you are ready to go. There is a caddy icon below the course map. The code beside the caddy is the recommended club. The red scope icon on the map is the recommended direction to aim. After selecting the caddy icon, the left side is the prediction number of strokes for this hole. And the right side shows the recommended clubs for you to approach this hole. The watch will recommend at most 4 kinds of club arrangement strategy for you to choose. You could choose by your own favor. After selecting, you are ready to sweep. I choose the first arrangement that Virtual Caddy recommended. Use the driver to shot. The club that Virtual Caddy recommends will automatically recalculate every 5 meters of movement, or after moving the position of the flag. Because it will change the distance to the center of green, the watch will recalculate the recommended clubs automatically. Now we are at the position where the ball dropped. Let's see what club the watch will recommend. The distance to the green is 196 yards. Virtual Caddy recommends using 3W. I'll take this suggestion. Virtual Caddy will also adjust the club recommendation by the position you sweep. Like it won't recommend using hybrid or wood clubs that aren't suitable in a bunker. And it also won't recommend using driver out of tee box area. After getting into the green, Virtual Caddy won't recommend any club to you, because the only club you will use is the putter. Yes. And that's the Virtual Caddy tutorial. Thanks for watching.